guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant idli at your home. So no need to grind anything guys. So for this recipe, what you need here, I took this semolina, that is suji, fine one. So I'm going to add 1 cup of suji into this bowl. Okay guys, here I took 1 cup of suji into this big bowl, and I'm going to add 1 cup of dahi. So the proportion will be same guys, 1 cup of suji, 1 cup of dahi, that is curd. Hey guys, here I added 1 cup of dahi, and I'm going to add some salt, that is up to your taste, how much salt you want in your idli. So here I am adding some salt, and I'm going to mix this one by adding a little bit of water. Here I'm adding a little bit of water to mix this one. Okay guys, I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and I'm going to keep this one aside for 10 minutes. So for this recipe, we have to do some tempering. So let's do the tempering. Hey guys, take a kadai, add some oil. So you can add 2 tablespoons of oil or 1 tablespoon. So in this I'm going to add some mustard seeds, the urad dal, the curry leaves. Hey guys, here I added 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and when the mustard seeds started spreading, we have to add the urad dal. Hey guys, and it's time to add some fresh curry leaves into this tempering. Hey guys, here I added the tempering into this rava, and what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add the eno powder. So we have to add 1 teaspoon of eno powder into this mix. Hey guys, here I added 1 teaspoon of eno powder into this. If you don't have eno powder, you can add the bicarbonate soda into this. So, we have to mix this one very well. So what I'm going to do guys, in the same kadai, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. For this recipe we need a little bit of oil, and we have to pour this batter into this. Okay guys, into this I'm going to add this idli batter. And we have to cook this one in very low flame, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. Hey guys, I covered this one with the lid, and we have to cook this one in a very low flame, and after 2 to 3 minutes we will see guys how it came out. Hey guys, can you see my one side is nicely puffed up, and it's time to turn to the other side, and it's very easy to remove from this pan. So I'm going to turn this one. I'm holding the camera guys. Okay guys, can you see I turned the idli into the other side, and so yeah, so we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes. So this idli you can make in under 5 minutes guys, very easy recipe, and I'm going to cover this one with a lid, and this is perfect for the lunch, for the kids lunch box, or for the breakfast, or for the dinner. So yeah, okay guys, it's perfectly cooked, and it's time to remove, and my crispy idli is ready guys, and I'm going to put it in this plate, and I'm going to make one more. So I'm going to add some oil into this, and I'm going to pour this batter. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. Hey guys, can you see my idli is perfectly cooked, and this is a quick video of how to make an instant idli for your breakfast at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And you can have this idli with any chutney or sambar. So yeah, bye.